Now we're going to go ahead and drill the 251, ABA, and BAB, the academic version and the stylized version, in our right hand while we put the roots of the chords in our left hand. We've already gone ahead and talked about the basics here. Remember, we've got A, B, A, that's the academic one, roots of the chords in our left hand. And we could also do the BABs up here. We also have what we call the stylized version. Same notes in our left hand here, but that's where we're just going to move that second note and then move the whole chord. And on the BABs, we're going to go for a B version here, and then move just the bottom note here down, and then move the top three pitches down. So we have 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. All right. So now we're going to do some drilling on these. We'll go ahead and start with C major. We'll go ABA in the right hand and the roots of the chords in our left hand. I'm just going to, in general, prefer to go in this way where the 2, 5, 1 rolls up the three roots of the chord. That's just the easiest way to do it. If you want to do it a different way, there's all kinds of different ways to do it if you want. But we're just, for the purposes of this video here, I'm just going to roll up the roots like that. Okay, put our metronome on, and we'll go 2 clicks a piece, and we'll start right there with the root on C major. Okay, so here we go. And we'll go around the key circle, adding flats like we usually do. Start with C, go to F, B flat, E flat, so on and so forth. I'll announce the next key and get you ready for it. But here we go with ABA, academic version in the right hand and the roots in the left. Okay, 2 clicks each. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor 9, G9, C major. One more time. 3, 4. Good. All right, let's go ahead and move the key of F major. Left hand's going to be G, C, and F here. Right hand moves to an A voicing. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Good. Now we'll go to B flat major, C, F, and B flat in the left hand. Go to your C minor and A voicing. Here we go. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to go to E flat major. Go ahead and find that F minor A position. Here we go. We're going to roll up the roots. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Good. Next key is A flat major. Go ahead and find a B flat minor chord in your right hand. E flat, B flat, E flat, and A flat down here. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Okay. Key of D flat major. That means E flat, A flat, and D flat here. Find an E flat minor in A position here. Here we go. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. All right. Now G flat major. A flat, D flat, G flat here. Find that A flat minor chord in A position here. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Good. Next key is B major. B major. So you find that C sharp minor chord here. C sharp, F sharp, and B down here. Here we go. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Good. Next key is E major. So we find F sharp minor here. Go to the root down here. 3, 4. Now A major, okay? B, E, and A here. Go to the B minor chord in A position up here. Here we go. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. All right, good. D major. So we got E, A, and D down here. Find the E minor chord in A position here. Here we go. 3, 4. All right, one more time. 3, 4. All right, good job. All right, and our last key here is G major. E, A, and D as our 2, 5, 1. Go to that A position, A minor chord here. Here we go. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. All right. Good job. All right. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to go B, A, B here right now. Okay. So start with C major again. Left hand doesn't change. Does the same thing. Our right hand is just going to go B, A, B. And this is the academic one. So we'll start with our B voicing here. Remember, bottom 2 pitches move down, then the top 2 move down. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. One more time. 3, 4. All right, now we're going to go to F major. G, C, and F down here. Go up to that A position, go up to the B position up here. And ready? 1, 2, ready, play. Again, ready, play. All right. Now we're going to go to B flat. C, F, and B flat down here. Find your B position here of C minor. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. All right. You're keeping that voice leading in mind. Remember, bottom 2 move down, then the top 2. One more time. 3, 4. Now we're going to go to E flat major. F, B flat, and E flat. Go to the B voicing up here. Here we go. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. All right. Next key is A flat major. So we find our 2, 5, 1 here. B flat, E flat, A flat. Okay, it looks like we're going to have to put that up here if we're going to go that high. So, all right, for right now, we've got our B voicing, A flat, C, D flat, and F. Ready? Here we go. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Now we're going to go to D flat major. Find the 2, 5, 1 here. E flat, A flat, D flat. B voicing is right here. D flat, F, G flat, and B flat. Okay, find that. And here we go. 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 3, 4. Good. G flat major is next. Okay, G flat major is next, so let's go ahead right here. Find that A flat, D flat, and G flat. Find the B voicing of an A flat minor chord up here. G flat, B flat, C flat, and E flat. And here we go. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. All right. Let's go on now to B major, right? So B major, C sharp, F sharp, and B. And then we've got that B voicing here. B, D sharp, E, and G sharp. Here we go. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. All right, E major is next. E major. So go ahead and find that 2-5-1, F sharp, B, and E. Find the B position of the F sharp minor chord, E, G sharp, A, and C sharp. And here we go. And ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Good job. All right. 2-5-1 in A major now. Find the 2-5-1 down there, B, E, and A. And we go to our B position. I'm going to take this down an octave because I want to get my voicings a little lower. So B, E, and A down here. B position of a B minor 7th chord. Here we go. A, C sharp, D, and F sharp. All right, let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. All right, let's go to D major now. E, A, and D is our 2-5-1. Find the B position of the E minor chord. D, F sharp, G, and B. Okay, let's try that one. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Good. And finally, we're going to end up on G major. So we find our 2-5-1, A, D, and G. Go to the B position here. I'm going to go A, D, and G down here. Find the B position here. G, B, C, and E. That gives us our A minor 9th chord in B position. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Good. All right. Now what we're going to do is do some random 2-5-1s. We'll start with ABA. Okay, and I'll just call out a key and I'll give you 6 clicks to get to that new key. We'll do 2 clicks a piece per chord, but I'll give you 6 clicks to think about the next key. All right, so go ahead and start. This is, once again, ABA in your right hand and the roots in your left hand. Okay, so start with the key of F major. Get ready for F major. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. B major. Ready, play. E flat major. Ready, play. F sharp major. Ready, play. A major. Ready, play. C major. Ready, play. E major. Ready, play. A flat major. Ready, play. B major. Ready, play. D major. Ready, play. All right, let's go ahead and stop there. Now we're going to go ahead and drill around the BABs. BAB, same concept though. 2-5-1 down here, BAB up here. Okay, we'll start with G major. G major. Okay, now watch out for this one. If you start your hands too close together, they'll end up overlapping, so you got to make sure you maintain good space between the left hand and the right hand when you're doing BAB up here. Okay, so find a 2 chord in G major, and we'll go ahead and do the same routine. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. B flat major. Ready, play. D flat major. Ready, play. E major. Ready, play. E flat major. Ready, play. G flat major. Ready, play. A flat major. Ready, play. B major. Ready, play. F major. Ready, play. Okay, good. All right, now we're going to go ahead and look at those stylized ones. So remember, those are slightly different, right? You can move that second from the top note down a half step, then the whole chord moves down. Other than that, same routine here. We'll go around the key signature. We'll start with A, B, A. And we'll go around the key signature and doing each one twice. Okay, we'll start with C major, so find that 2, 5, 1 in your left hand and the A voicing in your right. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. All right, let's go to F major. So find that A voicing. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Good. All right, going to B flat major. All right, let's go ahead and find that A voicing. Here it comes. 1, 2, ready, play. Time. Ready, play. Good. All right. E flat major. All right. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Okay. A flat major. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Again, and ready, play. D flat major. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Time, ready, play. G flat major. 1, ready, play. One more time, ready, play. B major. Find the 2 chord. 1, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Good. E major. 2 chord. 1, ready, play. Ready, play. Okay, let's go to A major. All right, here we go. 1, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Good. Let's go to D major. Find that 2 chord. All right. 1, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. And finally ending up at G major. Okay, find the 2 chord. Here we go. 1, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. All right. Okay, same idea now. We're just going to go B, A, B. So remember on these, you start with that B voicing. Bottom note moves down, then the top 3 move down. Same idea though with the 2, 5, 1 in the left hand. We'll start with C major. Okay, here we go. Find that B voicing. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Good. Let's now go to F major. Okay, F major. Let's find that B voicing. Here it goes. 1, 2, ready, play. Again. Ready, play. Now we're going to go to B flat major. So find the 2, 5, 1, the B voicing up here. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. All right. Now we go to E flat major. So find the B voicing up here. 2, 5, 1 on the left. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. All right. A flat major. Let's go down here for my 2, 5, 1. Find my B voicing of a B flat minor chord up here. And here it goes. 1, 2, ready, play. Again, ready, play. Okay, D flat major. D flat major. Find the 2, 5, 1. B voicing right here. D flat, F, G flat, and B flat. Okay. 1, 2, ready, play. Again, ready, play. All right, G flat major. G flat major. I take my G flat major way down here for the roots. Find my B voicing up here of an A flat minor 7th chord. And here it goes. 1, 2, ready, play. Again, ready, play. All right, B major. Okay, so find that C sharp minor chord up here, 2, 5, 1 here. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. All right. Now we're going to go to E major, all right? So find the 2, 5, 1 there, the B voicing up here, E, G sharp, A, and C sharp. Here it goes. 1, 2, ready, play. Again, ready, play. All right, 2, 2-5-1 and A. So find that 2-5-1 there. B voicing of a B minor 7th chord right here. A, C sharp, D, and F sharp. Okay, here we go. 3, 4. Again. 3, 4. All right, D major. Okay, let's find the 2-5-1 there. B voicing up here. D, F sharp, G, and B. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 3, 4. All right, now let's go to G major, our last key. All right, 2-5-1 down here, A, D, and G. B voicing up here of the A minor 7th chord. G, B, C, and E. 1, 2, ready, play. Again, ready, play. All right, good job. Okay, now we'll do some random of these stylistic 2-5-1s. We'll start with the ABAs. Okay, so remember that simple thing. Middle voice moves down, then all the voices, and I'll call out a key. 6 clicks between each key, 2 clicks within the key. We'll go ahead and start with F major. All right, so here we go. Find that G minor 7th chord. 1, 2, ready, play. A major. Ready, play. D flat major. Ready, play. E major. Ready, play. A flat major. Ready, play. B major. Ready, play. D major. Ready, play. F major. Ready, play. B flat major. Ready, play. All right. Okay, now let's go for the other one, which is the BAB. Simple on this one, right? Find the B voicing, bottom voice moves down, top 3 voices move down. Same thing, I'll call out a new key, give you 6 clicks to get to that new key, but within each key we'll only do 2 clicks a piece. We'll start with F major, so go ahead and find that B voicing in your right hand, and the 2-5-1 in your left. 1, 2, ready, play. D flat major. Ready, play. A major. Ready, play. F sharp major. Ready, play. E flat major. Ready, play. C major. Ready, play. A major. Ready, play. D major. Ready, play. B major. Ready, play. G major. play. All right. Okay, that was a good exercise in some of those random 2-5-1s. So we got quite a bit of skills together in this unit right here. We had those academic 2-5s, and we had the stylized. All right, and trying to get some independence going between the left hand and the right hand. You find these very helpful when you're playing through some changes on your own, especially if you're a horn player or a vocalist or a percussionist. Gives you some good skills to go through a lead sheet and play some good, nice voicings on it. Also, these are some great voicings if you're going to start to write for 4 horns. All of these voicings sound great for, say, something like trumpet, alto, tenor, and trombone. These voicings are real standard as far as 4-horn writing. You can get a lot of use out of all this A and B stuff, and it's also the basics for some other concepts we'll talk about later. Concepts like the drop 2 voicings and the red garland voicings. So, really useful stuff to have. So, anyway, good luck with it, getting it together. Keep practicing. I look forward to hearing you and seeing you at the next video.